Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for July 1st of 2025 is titled I Sky a Dragon. So, what do we see here? Well, here we see what might look to you like a dragon's eye at first glance. And you can see the scales of the dragon around, and then the eye with the line going through the center, what looks like the central portions of the eye there of a dragon. Now, in reality, no, it's not the eye of a dragon. It's actually what is sometimes called a little planet projection. And this is actually a panorama taken of 38 images and then put together in a single frame. So we're seeing an entire 360-degree view of the region here. And if we zoom in and think about some of the other portions that we can see things like the sunset off there over to the left-hand side of the image. So we see the sunset there as the sun dips below the horizon. We see all of the clouds scattered around the entire image, especially around the edges. But right towards the center, we see our Milky Way, the central band of our Milky Way, which is, of course, our galaxy as we see it from within. And that is present there, and in long exposures such as this, we can bring out a lot of the detail in our galaxy, including the bright star clouds and dark dust clouds that make up the plane of the Milky Way. Now, down below at the top of that little mountain there, you can see off in the distance, that is actually an old abandoned outpost here in Russia where this was taken. And then finally, off to the lower right-hand side, there we see the photographer. So we can see the photographer with their headlamp on, looking around the area, so being caught in one of their images as well as the various images were taken that were used to put all of this together. Now again, this is a panoramic image allowing you to see the entire horizon at once. So the sky is all up overhead, and we see that condensed into that very small section at the top. The horizon is down there. We can see the horizon areas as we get down away from the central portion. And then we can see the nearby landscape that was there as well. That was the rocks and areas that were around the region where this was photographed. So putting together all these different images allows us to get one single panoramic view where we can see everything in a 360-degree view here, including the photographer. So that was our picture of the day for July 1st of 2025. It was titled I Sky a Dragon. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be inspired. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.